Hey everyone, today I'm going to tell you how to check coupon code in Winzo, and make sure you watch till the very end to understand the entire process step by step, because I'm going to be telling you the name of a bunch of websites. The first one, you need to head over to Google and search for Zooton's Winzo coupons and click on the first link. As you can see, they have like 100% cashback, all these offers that you can choose from. Next website is One India. As you can see, they have a lot of these coupons that you can choose from. Again, to find these, just head over to Google and search for One India Winzo coupon and click on the first link that comes up. After that, we have Desi Dime. As you can see, they have so many offers that you can choose from. After that, we have the Hindu.com. As you can see, they also provide a bunch of like best deal, great offers and everything like that. And then we have Cash Alley. You need to sign in, I guess, but also you could just click on this like refer and earn, exclusive offer, all these things. After that, we have Coupon Dunia. As you can see, all these things. Next up, we have Tervesi. As you can see, if I have to scroll a bit down, you can see the coupon codes like Winzo 500, Fantasy 5 off, all these that they have available for December 2023. And then you can go to Grab On. Next up, we have Cash Mentees, and finally we have Coupon Swalla, and these are the websites. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.